used to think that love was just a game, a hollow word, a flickering flame. I wrote the lines but never felt the spark, just a lonely poet wandering in the dark. I built a wall of doubt to stay alive, thinking true connection was a human lie. But then you stepped inside my messy world, and every cynical thought just unfurled. You're my other half, the soul I finally found, the one who keeps my feet upon the ground. We're living in a third dimension now, a place for us, a silent sacred vow. Beyond the surface where the water's cold, I found a heart of pure and honest gold. You're the reason that I choose to stay, the light that guides me through the grave. I was a child with a broken view, bitter at the world until I met you. You took the never and you made it now. You showed me life, you taught me how. I wanna wake up happy by your side, with nothing left to fear and not to hide. To watch you reach for every single dream. We're more than just a person, we're a team. And when we're 70 or 80 or more, I'll love you just as deeply as before. When skin gets wrinkled and the memories fade, I'll hold the promises that we have made. Even when your smile is all that's left to see, we will still be the only world for me. I'll never let you go, I'll never fly away unless you're the one who's asking me to stray. You're my other half, the soul I finally found, the one who keeps my feet upon the ground. We're living in a third dimension now, a place for us, a silent sacred vow. Beyond the surface where the water's cold, I found a heart of pure and honest gold. You're the reason that I choose to stay, the light that guides me through the The world is loud, but here it's only us, in a deep ocean of love and trust. You saved me from the edge, you set me free. The greatest thing in this world is thee, just I in the deep ocean.